Ki ngā tangata Māori nā rangi rawa ko papa, ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao. Ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao. Mauri ora kia tātou. He mea tikina ake tēnā karakia tawhito, hei kupu whakataki mōku, hei waiata whakataki mōku, I runga i te whakaaro, kei roto i taua karakia, ngā kōrero e pāna ki te tīmatanga o te ao, e a ki tā te tirohanga Māori. Nō reira, e whakaaro ana ka pai pia ki te tīmata i reira, ki te hoki anō ki te wāhingaro. Nō reira, I runga i tēnā, ka tuia te rangi i runga nei, ka tuia te papa i waho nei, ka tuia ngā maunga whakahi, e karapoti nei i tēnei rohe, mai te karamatamata o te remutaka, ahu atu ana, ka whai i te ara o te au o te awa kairangi, ki pitone, puta atu ki te whanganui ātara, ko te upoko o te ika tēnei, ka te tiro atu ki motu kairangi, mai motu kairangi ki mātairangi, ki tōna tihi ko tangi te keo, mai tangi te keo, ahu atu te titiro ki te au o tāne, ka puta atu ki te moana i rau kawakawa, ko te rohe tēnei o te whanganui ātara, e mihi ana ki a tātou, ngā kai whakaora i te manawa Māori ora o tēnei takiwā. Nō reira ka mihi i runga i tau whakaaro. Ka mihi hoki au ki a koutou, ngā kaumahi, ngā ringa raupā o te taritai whenua, ngā koutou au i tō mai ki konei te rangi nei, kia koe te kōka moana, nāu whakaaro, ki te tono mai kia hau, ki te haere ake i tēnei rā, ki te tuari whakaaro e pāna ki tēnei taonga, te waiata, nō reira, nōku te honore nui, kia noho ki Wainganui a koutou i te rānei. Well, these are the usual pōhiri, poroporo aki, tangihanga is always a big one, whakatau, hui e wānanga, pēnei tēnei, birthdays, kawe mate or kawe taonga, in your case, there's some cases where you have to take taonga to other buildings and stuff, signings, and he maha no atu ngā momo wāhi, ka waiata tia, ine momo waiata. Nō reira, hea ngā hua o te ako waiata? What are the benefits of learning waiata? So we're going to look at one example. So, tēnei waiata, kai te ako au, nā hereni moko me I tito. And from what I've researched, this song was composed around the same time that kohanga came about, late 80s, early 90s. And so the messages in this waiata, my interpretation of what the message is there are connections between the language, the land and the environment, and this is in most waiata. It's reinforcing the importance of the language being something, a treasure that's passed down, and it also is acknowledging that this is an official language of Aotearoa. So although there might be only 6-8 lines there, he iti te kōrero, he iti te kupu, nui te kōrero. So little few words, but a broad meaning. So that's just one waiata, kei te aku au. And these are my, some of you will see, there's some other learnings in there. So we all have our own things that we can take out of that. Other benefits, promotes whanaungatanga, building relationships, intergenerational learning, e ki te au he tamariki kei konei, nō reira, again, going with just hitting the mark on those points. Intergenerational learning is one big thing for waiata. Kei te ako au was a big example. We can teach that to kids, and we can also teach that to adults and have two totally different interpretations of what it is and what it's about. Creates connections to the environment, and it's a medium for practicing our language and culture. So these photos were taken at the Waiata Wānanga that I ran for my master's project. And the name of that the project was Te Oro Kohanga literally meaning the sounds of the nest. Ora, rā me pēhea te whakamahi i ngā waiata hei taonga pupuri kōrero. How can we use waiata to help retain our language and stories for the future, or for the future generation? Now, kei te tiro au, we're going to look at this example. This is where he waiata matariki. And just a bit of background about this, because not many people may know. So this song was written at the request of my mum, Julie, who was kaimahi at the time, still is, but not in the same area. And this, she asked for this waiata, and so this waiata was actually composed for te taritai whenua at the time. So this was, she asked for the waiata, I wrote the song in 10 minutes, and then if I had known the amount of messages I was going to get about it, I might have warmed up a bit more before I did the video. It wasn't even a good video, it was just a quick one. So if I had known the reach that it had, I'm still getting messages. Now, every time it gets closer to Matariki, just get bombarded with messages. Can we learn this? Can we learn this song? Sure you can. Sure you can. So this is one example of how waiata can be used to keep our stories alive. So
I've also got a recording of you singing that at our
I hope it's a good one.
on my dinosaur phone.
I hope it's a good one. So this, I put a simple video with just the words, and so this video's had that many views on YouTube. I don't even want to attempt to say all those numbers. 152 comments, and most of the comments were kura, schools, early childcare centres, adult learners, te reo classes at Wānanga, kapahaka groups, and I've even had groups as far as London, Korea and Australia asked to use the waiata. And I'm of the belief that waiata are written to be shared. I harahaui te kaitito matapiko. I'm not one to get caught up on who is singing the songs or why they're singing it or have they asked. The only thing I ask is that if you're going to teach the song, that you let the group know, whoever it is, who the composer is. They won't know who I am, but that's all I ask. So I'm a very strong believer that waiata are there to be shared as a medium of learning.